Hello, I'm Karen. I own the Cake Tower and I sell icing sugar, motorbikes and other items on eBay. And today I'm going to show you how to make this lovely little simplistic style motorbike. Put that to one side. I've got my scales. I'm on to naught. I don't want to go on to naught. Then thank you. Right, and I've already rolled out my balls because you don't want to be really watching me do that. So there's one at 18 grams, two at 18 grams, and this little tiny ball here, which is just 2 grams, is for the handlebars, and this is part of day 1. So let's move the scales out of the way. And to make the wheels, we've got our ball, we're going to, so it's nicely rolled, and we're going to flatten out the ball. And the same with the other one. I'm going to flatten out the ball, make a nice circle. Oops. And we have our 2 round pieces there, and we've got a circle cutter, which I'm just going to indent into the wheels. This gives you the definition between the actual spoke area and the tyre to help with that realism. And we'll do the other side to match. And there we go, we have our 2 wheels. I'm going to put these, I'm just putting them onto a cake board with some greaseproof paper, and they'll be left to one side to dry. And now I'm going to make the handlebars. So we've rolled our ball, and now I'm going to roll the ball into a nice sausage. Oops. I want it to be quite an even all the way down of our sausage, and then we're going to fold this in half, and we're going to get the end pieces, because this is for the handlebars there, and at this moment in time it doesn't look much like handlebars. However, once we put it onto our board and we get hold of our double-ended ball tool, and when we push here right into the centre, it'll open out the handlebar and leave a nice indented area which will come in handy later. And that is day 1, and you have to put those to one side and leave them to dry.